Hello and welcome to another video on Shona nouns, and this time we are covering body parts. Nengo dzemuviri. We will start from the top. The head is called musoro, musoro, followed by the neck, which is called mutsipa, mutsipa, and the shoulder is called bendekete, bendekete. Arm is called ruoko, ruoko. Elbow is gokora, gokora. Chest is chipfuva, chipfuva. Stomach is dumbu, dumbu. Waist is chiuno, chiuno. Leg is gumbo, gumbo. Knee is ibvi, ibvi. Calf is tsapfu, tsapfu. Foot is tsoka, tsoka. And here is our summary of the body parts that we have covered. The head is musoro, neck is mutsipa, shoulder is called bendekete, arm ruoko, elbow is gokora, chest is chipfuva, stomach is dumbu, waist chiuno, leg gumbo, knee is called ibvi, calf is tsapfu, and last but not least, foot is tsoka. Thank you for watching this video. Tinotenda zvikuru. Keep learning Shona and speak it. Taurai Chishona.